I know that sometimes when you go to write, you really want to use images to drive what you are doing.
Maybe you are working on a creative piece.
Or maybe you're using all sorts of graphics and charts and information to help you figure things out.
Toolbox has a writer built specially for these sorts of applications, and it's called Storyboard.
Storyboard offers you a moving carousel of imagery.
Just like plotting a storyboard for a movie, you can assemble the images you want to help drive your writing.
You can even change the order of your storyline if that helps you.
Every image can be expanded for detail and cleverly sits to the right-hand side of your writing area, giving you space to reflect and write.
Plus, if you're using Storyboard as a teacher and build a task using only a single image, the image carousel automatically switches to that one image. As with all the other writers, the Tools menu allows you to select or deselect the tools that are visible while you write.
And don't forget Notebook. It's a great way to capture all those thoughts and ideas you have as you write, then pull them in later when needed.
Remember, all your writing is automatically saved in the work area on the main dashboard.
When you're done creating in Storyboard, click the Home button to return to the main dashboard.